So, because white-breasted turkeys like that guy down there, they were purposely bred to be really big for meat birds, so they're too big to impregnate the women. So if you want to grow your herd, you have to play hanky-panky with the males and inject the women. We ain't doing that. So we switched over to a heritage breed, which are these guys right here. They will naturally breed and they're really good mothers. They'll take care of all their own. Also, the toms of the heritage will deal with the ladies over there.